Rentberry, my honest review, and user experience best rental platform. Finding the perfect rental can be stressful, but Rentberry promises a streamlined experience for tenants and landlords alike. I tested it thoroughly and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, thinking rental platforms are only for browsing listings. The surprising truth about Rentberry is that it handles the entire rental process, including applications, bidding, and lease agreements all in one place. Getting started was simple. I created an account, uploaded documents, and began browsing listings. The interface is clean and intuitive, with filters for price, location, and amenities. One standout feature is the bidding system, which lets tenants offer rent amounts to compete fairly, potentially saving money. Applying for a property is straightforward. Rentberry allows you to submit applications digitally, including identity verification and background checks. This speeds up approval and reduces paperwork. Communication with landlords is built into the platform, making it easy to ask questions or negotiate terms. Pricing transparency is another plus. Rentberry charges fees upfront and clearly explains costs for both tenants and landlords. The platform also offers e-signature capabilities, making signing leases fast and secure. The only downside is that not every city has extensive listings yet. Major metropolitan areas have plenty, but smaller towns might see limited options. Still, the platform is growing rapidly and adds new properties regularly. In conclusion, Rentberry is a modern, efficient rental platform that simplifies searching, applying, and signing leases. If you're looking for a seamless rental experience with digital convenience, it's worth exploring.